Hi friends, this is Parmesh Malgond, HR professional, mentor and tutor. Welcome to Parmesh Malgond YouTube channel. So wish you all happy Independence Day of India. So today is the 75th Independence Day of India. So today I am going to talk about Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, we got the independence. 75 years before, our country was ruling by Britishers. So the freedom fighters, Indian freedom fighters, they have struggled for getting the independence from Britishers like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, and many more people. They have struggled a lot, and they got the freedom from Britishers. So with their struggle, with their hard work, today we are enjoying freely and independently whatever we are doing in a good way. And on 15th August 1947, the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the Prime Minister, was hosted the flag at Red Fort in New Delhi. So every year we are celebrating. This is a national festival. So as well as Independence Day of India. So everybody, each and every persons, the Indian, though we should be very proud about our country. So this is very good country for in terms of fertility, in terms of growing everything. So why we are celebrating this Independence Day of India? First we have to understand, we have to remember, we have to commemorate the freedom fighters, those who have done very hard work. And we should be very happy because India became the independence from the Britishers. Okay, for that we should be happy. And whatever they have put the effort for getting freedom from different people like Britishers, we should be very happy, and we have to put effort for developing our country. See, they have struggled, they have put effort for country purpose, okay, but we should put at least for our village purpose. If every person is putting effort for their village, their city, their colony, automatically the India will be growing number one in the world. So here we got independence, okay, but the thing is still we are struggling a lot. I'll tell you what are the things we are struggling. You can go for any department like in government, like in hospital, or in revenue department, or police department, or education department. So different department, okay, in, even in gram panchayat, everywhere, tahsil office, DC office, whatever, everywhere the corruption is going on. So, and whatever the projects will be getting from central government or state government for developing Indian people, so it is not reaching to the people. Suppose if it is reaching also, the officers and middle people, agent people, and some leaders, they are misutilizing the money. The real money is not reaching to those people. And even though the money is reaching there, but by side way, in the indirectly they are taking a bribe from the people. So this type of activities are doing, uh, this type of the activities are going on in the country. And which are the facilities are has to which are the facilities how to reach to the people, those facilities are not reaching real people. So the facilities are reaching to different people. So these things who has to control? We have to control. People has to control, because what is going on in the villages and in the city. So suppose XYZ, some persons are doing wrong. At that moment, no one is ready to ask any question to them. Okay, some people will take risk and initiative, and if the person is asking some question to the XYZ person, he will get the blame from them. So like that, each and every person we are having we are having independence, okay, for asking anything. Suppose if someone is doing wrong, we have to ask them, why are you doing wrong? We have to put effort for our village purpose, our colony purpose, our city purpose, for our country purpose. Then only the day by day the country will develop and we will be in a number one in the world. So take example Gram Panchayat. For if you are going for asking any one document, the officers will ask money. If you are going for revenue office for taking any certificate, people will ask officers will ask money. Suppose if you are going to RTO office for getting license or something, there also the drive is going on. So different area, different field, the bribe is going on, keep on, and the people are cheating to the uh, other people. Some XYZ people will be cheating to the ABC people, like that. So these things we have to control. See, we have the authority, but the thing is, if we are supporting to those who are doing wrong, automatically the country will be collapse. So out of so totally many so like those who are staying in India, okay, across the whole India people, if all are taking initiative for doing good way, automatically the country will be in a good way. So for we have to take a challenge for country development. Whatever we got the independence, okay, from the Britishers, okay, we have to utilize that one, not only for enjoying. Okay, we got the freedom from Britishers, then we are doing whatever we want, wrong, good, or it is not like that. We have to do good way, and we have to utilize the proper way our resources, our facilities, and our projects. Then only it will be useful. If the freedom fighters are struggling for a country, means we have to struggle at least for our village, so our city. Then automatically the country will develop. So if you are interested this video, if you are liking, you can like, share and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching, and I will be see you in next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.